Assume that Jane's marginal propensity to consume equals 0.8, and that in 2004, Jane spent $36,000 from her disposable income of $40,000. If her disposable income in 2005 increased to $50,000, her consumption spending increased by blank. So in this question, we're given that Jane's marginal propensity to consume equals 0.8, and that her disposable income in 2004 is $40,000, but in 2005 it was $50,000. So to calculate her increase in consumption spending, we have to calculate the change in her disposable income, which is equal to 50,000 minus 40,000, which is equal to 10,000. Now, since we know that her marginal propensity to consume equals 0.8, she'll spend 0.8% or 0.8 of this increase in money on consumption spending. So 10,000 times 0.8 equals 8,000. So Jane will increase her consumption spending by 8,000, which is answer choice B.